I thought the midterm exam was only worth half of our course grade. I will be in my office every day from 10 to 12. I will check again, but I am pretty sure we are supposed to read Chapter 2. I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it.
It's the commonly used words that have different referential values.